Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. Many people ask me, Kareem, that we were on cancellation or we on a visit visa. We applied for a job. Our visa is about to expire or cancellation is about to end. Like we just have 1 week left, and the company is in the process. So, if in case our visa ends, do we going to overstay or will be counted as the process has started? Or will be still legal? No. Let me tell you this: if you have a cancellation and you have less than 40 days left and you're applying with a company, not making a freelance, but applying with a proper company who's giving you a job and a visa. Make sure you have more than 40 days left on your cancellation or your visit visa, because companies, when they make visas for you, they're not only making a visa for you. They hire like a batch of 10 people or 5 people, it depends on how many people they want, and then they apply for them together at once. So they'll not just apply for you. That's the reason most of the people go into overstays when they apply with companies. And they say the company is making us a visa. Now the company did not make a visa in time, so we went in overstay. No, you need to know that you need to have 40 days period of time on your visa or cancellation in order for a process to be completed. If you don't have that time, don't start a process with the company. Employment visa is a process. It takes steps. It's not a one-day process. It goes through different steps and processes, and it can take a lot of time. For example, first when you apply, you get an offer letter, then you get a labor contract, then you get a labor card number, then they apply for your visa, and then they change your status. And let me tell you, even if you have your visa with you and the company did not change your status, you can still go into overstay and fines and abscondings. So make sure you have enough time to change your status. Getting visa is not the important thing. Changing your status is the most important thing. Unless your status is changed, you are still on the old visa, you are still into overstay, or cancellation has expired. Just know that you will go into overstay. So make sure you share this video with your friends, and if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll try to reply. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as I always say, God bless Africa. One love.